Any excuse to not rake the leaves. Sounds like any excuse. Yeah, not like I haven't mowed over some leaves once or twice back in my high school days, right? As for our weather today, a lot to cover with the rain for the remainder of the work week here. A big question, though, is are we going to see the northern lights again for tonight? Usually, northern lights are kind of a one-night only deal, but some of the strongest storms, solar storms that is, can often last 2 or 3 days, and this was a quite strong one. So there is actually a good chance for the northern lights to make a encore appearance for tonight as well. The only problem is the cloud cover, as you would expect. Kind of good luck if you are going to be heading out and really anywhere for the Pacific Northwest. More clouds than not in our region. I think we're going to get a ton of photos from North Dakota, Minnesota, Upper Michigan, some of the darkest and farthest north locations, but also the clearest weather-wise for tonight. Now, when I say solar storm, it's basically it's what's called a coronal mass ejection. Basically, a bunch of the sun's atmosphere gets quite literally thrown at the earth. And we can measure that with something called the KP index. Last night, it was almost a 9, which is as high as it goes. It rivaled that of a couple solar storms and Northern Lights events from last year, if you remember that. Here's tonight. We're at a 7 and a 6, which is honestly pretty good. That's pretty strong. The only thing is we are fighting the cloud cover pretty handily for tonight. So best of luck if you are heading outside. Here's what we're looking at right now. It is definitely cloudy. Not only that, it's actually just raining. The heaviest stuff right over Coeur d'Alene right now. I've noted from our outdoor weather center that it just stopped over Spokane, at least for now. We could still get a little bit more rain today just because there's this line that's extending from kind of like Mount St. Helens-ish through northeastern Washington. It's all pretty light, it's all pretty scattered, and it is going to slowly drift northward, the whole band of rainfall, even though you're seeing the showers physically move from west to east. Notice how our modeling just kind of climbs that rain a bit northward for the remainder of the morning. So as we get deeper and deeper into the day, it will get drier and drier. Thursday is the opposite. We start dry, we end wet. Next storm is really going to be passing through during the second half of the day, Thursday. And this should be one of our wetter days overall. It is also our warmest day of this work week, with high temperatures in the mid-50s for today and tomorrow. No wonder we're still not forecasting any snow. Even at the coldest point of the day, it's about 40 degrees right now. So lows at about 40 and highs in the mid-50s. Yep, that's an all-rain forecast. So some light stuff this morning and then some afternoon rain likely tomorrow.